Champion at 5,000 metres, right in the middle there. He's struggled with injuries. He manages his injuries these days, we understand. Does Mukhtar Idris. He is amongst the favourites here.
And we're up and running for the men's elite TCS World 10K 2022. It's a huge bunch there. The Indian runners, the international elites, they're all trying to set a good pace. Once again, let's remind you, it's 2 laps of the Kipkorir Stadium, and then they head out onto the streets of Bengaluru before heading back into the stadium. And looks like there's a familiar figure making the early running.
Yeah, that's like Bengaluru in the lead, the defending champion, who's gone off, and he's looking very strong. And he has got that gap over the 20-year-old Worku.
Well, he's alternating between looking at the watch and a quick glance over his shoulder to see if he has left Worku behind. At the moment, it appears to be a healthy enough.
Going to do it. The course record has survived since 2014. It's 8 years old. And Kipkorir Kimeli had a little check over his shoulder there. There was no need for that. He had seen what he wanted to see. A nice big gap back to Tadesse Worku, the Ethiopian in second place. But he's pouring it on down the back straight there. The course record surely is going to be broken. It was absolutely smashed into oblivion in the women's race with that wonderful one from Irene Cheptai. Well, I think Nicholas Kipkorir Kimeli is setting history here once again at his 14th edition of the TCS World 10K in Bengaluru. He rounds this final bend, Gautam, and he heads into the finish straight now. The clock, the finish line beckons, and look at the clock. 11 seconds to go, one finger aloft, crosses the line there in 27:40, something like that. We'll get that official time for you, but it is a course record in the men's race again. Wonderful head-to-head clash between these two in the second half.
And wonderful appreciation between the two athletes, Tadesse Worku and our new champion and new course record holder, Nicholas Kipkorir. And he looks like he's ready to run another 5,000 if you asked him. He's still celebrating. He was looking at his watch.
Kipkorir, who also gets a course record bonus of $8,000 for breaking the existing.
First of all, I want to thank my fans for today. I want to thank also my competitors. I want also to thank the race organizer of today's race and also the people of this country. I want to say thank you a lot for cheering us, for being together. Then about the race, I hope the race was good. I enjoyed the race until the end because the race was too fast in the last 5K, but the first 5K it was too slow. But I want to thank the Tadesse Worku for pushing hard in this race. I want to say congratulations to him. You are the winner like me today also. We are all winners.